Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted text messages or restore deleted text messages or recover or restore your all deleted SMS or text messages. Are you accidentally delete or lost your text or SMS messages, but in this you can easily recover or restore your deleted text messages. So in this time I can show fast process how to recover your deleted text messages or restore deleted text messages. So let's see. So first of all, go to your phone settings. After that, you can see phone settings, open it. You scroll down. You can see notifications. So first of all, you can choose and open notifications. After that, you can see advanced settings, click on it. After that, choose and open notification history. In this you can easily recover or restore your lost or deleted text messages or SMS messages. So let's see. After that, scroll down and search phone messages. After that, you can see messages. So in this you can choose and open messages. In this I can see my deleted or lost SMS or text messages, recover or restore in this here. And in this time I can show another way or second process. So let's see. After that, go back. After that, choose and open messages. After that, in this here, click on it. After that, choose and open archived. And in this I can see my all deleted or lost text messages or SMS messages, recover or restore in this here. And in this you can easily recover or restore your deleted or lost text messages. So let's see. After that, open any messages. After that, right top corner 3 button option, click on it. So choose unarchive, click on it. In this way you can easily recover or restore your lost or deleted text messages or recover or restore your deleted SMS messages. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.